In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever felt lost hunting for a customer, an invoice, or a specific transaction, the global search in QuickBooks Online is your best friend. The great news is that the search bar lives at the top of your screen throughout the app. Whether you're on the dashboard, inside sales, expenses, banking, or reports, it's always right there, ready to help you find what you need without clicking through multiple menus. Here's how to use it in the simplest way. Look to the top of your QuickBooks Online window for the search field or the small magnifying glass icon. Click it, and your cursor will jump into the search box. As you start typing, QuickBooks typically shows helpful suggestions and a short list of your recent transactions. If one of those suggestions looks right, click it to jump straight in. Otherwise, press Enter to see a fuller set of results. You can type all kinds of information into this search. Try a customer or vendor name to bring up their profile and related activity. Enter an invoice, estimate, or sales receipt number to locate a specific document. If you remember only the amount, type it in, and QuickBooks will surface transactions that match. You can also use keywords from the memo field, item names, or even parts of an account name from your chart of accounts. The goal is simple. Start with what you know and let the search do the heavy lifting. A few quick tips make searching faster and cleaner. Be as specific as you can, especially if you have a large list of customers or a long transaction history. Combine a name and an amount if you remember both. Keep your spelling tight. Small typos can hide what you're after. If you see too many results, add another detail. If you get nothing back, remove a word or try a more general term. When you click a result, you'll go straight to its detail page. If it's not the one you wanted, use your browser's back button or the in-app navigation to return, and your search bar is still there waiting. You can clear the current text with the little X in the field, then try a new term. And remember, you don't have to leave your current workflow. The search bar never goes away, so you can look things up from anywhere. That's all there is to it. Keep the search bar in sight, type what you know, refine if needed, and let QuickBooks Online find it for you.